The reasons why I attended this event was because I think there's great unexplored potential in Italy, and especially in this region. So getting away from the popular spots like Lake Como, Firenze, Rome, I think that Naples, Positano, Amalfi is a little less explored, so it's nice to give my clients something different.
I just wanted to create the event that may cover the most important components for a wedding planner when they come to such events. That is knowledge or education, B2B meetings and networking, and of course fan trips. So I tried to put them all together in one event.
The idea was to give the total picture of the potential of the region or destination for weddings.
Well, we've seen some exceptional venues which we would never know in a place like Sorrento or Naples. And that's the beauty of Italy. There's so much to see, but we always get lost in those cities and those big cities and the commercial places. But finding these niche destinations and these suppliers and villas has been exceptional, an eye-opener.
So damn lucky. It's all because of you.
Unfortunately, there are not so many events where photographers and planners can sit and meet in the same room. It is nice for the planners to understand not only who we are as photographers, but also who we are as people and what is our personality. And only this way they can match us with the clients that we fit the best with.
So for any wedding planners that are thinking about, coming on this wonderful fan trip with WEMA, I say absolutely come, because you are going to learn so much. We're so beautifully taken care of. We've had the most incredible dinners. The vendors and the venues have been so gracious to us. It's been an amazing experience, and I feel very grateful and very humble of how beautifully we've been treated.
So what I really loved here in this event is that during several days you really connect with each other, you connect with photographers, and you're not a competitors, like everyone has their own clients. You really want to learn, to grow together, to support each other. So that's what for me was really the highlight.
For me, every single aspect was important, from every single person, small or big. Every aspect created a puzzle, a big picture, and everyone for me was important, and everything.